The area of the state of Texas is about 268,600 square miles. What is this number in expanded notation? First thing I'm going to do, of course, is place it on my place value chart. And so I'm going to look at this number as I write it down. I see that it is 6 digits long, that there's no decimal in that number, and the decimal would actually be right after the ones place. So I can add that to help me keep straight with my place value. And I'm going to go ahead and write in my number on the place value chart. And then I'm going to ask these questions to see which ones are accurate and which ones are not. So the first expression says 2 times 100,000. So 2 in the 100,000s place. And that indeed is true. So I can put a little check mark by that. 6 in the 10,000s place, that is also true. I'll put a check mark. 8 in the thousands place, and that is true. And 6 in the hundreds place, that is true. So it looks like this is the right answer, but before I go on, I'm going to check all my work and find the problems with the answer choices. So this says 2 in the 1 million place, and of course this is not. That's in the 100,000s place, so that is incorrect. And now I can know that that answer is incorrect. For H, it says 2 in the 10,000s place. This 2 is not in the 10,000s place. It's in the 100,000s, so that is not correct, so therefore the answer is not. All right, the next part says 2 in the 100,000s place. That's true. Then 6 in the 100,000s place. We can't have 2 digits in the same place value. So though this is correct, this is not, and therefore the answer choice is incorrect. And your final answer is F.